If you are new to this channel, click that subscribe button. I post everything coffee and tea on this channel, so make sure you stay tuned. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make homemade Earl Grey jelly. Two of my favorite drinks in Starbucks are Hojicha tea latte and Matcha green tea latte with Earl Grey jelly. Now, if I order it with Earl Grey jelly, I have to pay an extra $1 on top of the $6. They're quite expensive, these drinks, but I do love going to Starbucks, yes, because they have made the place so conducive to working away from home and office. So that's where I go whenever I feel like having a quiet time. So I would like to start saving money by making my own Earl Grey jelly. The ingredients are very simple. I'm going to make it accessible and easy for you to make at home. I'm going to use Earl Grey tea bags. I'm using Twinings here. If you're going to make a large batch, then I suggest you make use of those Earl Grey tea that are sold per kilogram. Then you can cut your costs. And then we're going to make use of gelatin. I'm using a powder here, and also brown sugar. And then, of course, hot water. Let's start by brewing our Earl Grey tea. For the Earl Grey tea, I'm going to brew it very, very strong using 3 bags, and I'm going to use 1/2 cup of hot water. Steep the tea bags for about 10 minutes, making it really, really strong. And then we are going to use 10 grams of our gelatin powder. And also 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now I have my brewed Earl Grey. It is very, very strong, I can guarantee that. And I'm going to mix everything in this new pitcher. 3 ounces or 90 ml of my Earl Grey. And to this, I'm going to bring this up to 360 ml. Sugar. And then now I'm going to add my 10 grams of gelatin. Stir to make sure that the gelatin and the sugar are fully dissolved. Okay, I think it is dissolved completely, and now I'm going to put it in my mold here. That looks very clear and very clean. There you go. So if there are any bubbles, make sure you break them up just so that you have a clean and beautiful jelly. Okay, now that you have this jelly, what you need to do is to let it cool down before you put it in the refrigerator. Why? If you put it in the fridge whilst it's still hot, then the temperature of your refrigerator will go up and it might break down. So wait for it to cool down and let it set for at least about a couple of hours. Okay, now I have my Earl Grey jelly. It is set very, very well. I left it overnight. Now, you should at least leave it for about 4 hours. You can make a large batch and you can multiply the proportion as many times as you like to. Now, I'm going to cut this into cubes. You don't really have to cut this into cubes. You can simply scoop it up with a spoon and put it in your glass. But I'd like it to look like cubes, okay? Just bear with me. There you go. It is beautiful. Wow, I've cut this into quite large cubes here. You can cut it into smaller pieces, but it is quite soft and wiggly, so I think it should be easy to eat and also sip through a straw. Okay, let me give this a try. One big one. Honestly, this is perfect. Let's start making our drink. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make my matcha green tea latte and Hojicha tea latte. For the recipes of these drinks, check out my book, All Things Milk Tea. Matcha green tea latte. I'm going to use the matcha whisk, dip it in hot water first. 5 grams of matcha. Add water. And to sweeten the drink, I'm going to use my milk syrup. Beautiful matcha mix here. So this is our matcha green tea latte with Earl Grey jelly. Now let's make our Hojicha tea with Earl Grey jelly. I'm going to start with my Hojicha powder. Add water. Use the whisk to combine. Wow, it is smelling so good. And now I'm going to add my milk syrup. This is used to sweeten the drink. And this is my Hojicha tea mix. Earl Grey jelly. I love this, so I'm going to put quite a lot. Ice. Milk. And finish it off with our Hojicha tea mix. Hojicha tea with Earl Grey jelly. Yay! Now I made my favorite Starbucks drinks right here at the comfort of my own home. And then, when I want to have more of this Earl Grey jelly, I can simply just get them out of the refrigerator. Well, I would say, and I would even dare, that this one will taste better than my regular Starbucks drinks. That is absolutely delicious. If you're looking for the best matcha recipe ever, you have come to the right channel. Do check out all my other matcha video tutorials. Also, the recipes are in my book, All Things Milk Tea. This is absolutely to die for. Now, Hojicha. Now, for those that do not know, Hojicha is also a type of green tea. Do check out my other video tutorials on what Hojicha is and how to make this delicious drinks. This is my go-to drink when I don't feel like having coffee nor chocolate, because this is kind of in between. It is delicious. If you haven't yet tried Hojicha tea, do try and find out where you can get some of these. Okay? Hey, I want to get some of those Earl Grey jelly. I am going to finish this. Hang on, I still haven't got the jelly. I think I cut it too big. There you go. What is so special about having a drink that you can also have something to chew? That is why the bubble tea phenomenon has expanded so fast globally. Well, if you're looking for a drink with something special, something that not only satisfies your thirst, but also your hunger and also your cravings for this sinkers, then Earl Grey jelly, homemade. Save costs, make them at home. If you have any questions about these recipes, do let me know, comment below. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button again. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, do click that subscribe button, like, comment, and share the love. Don't forget to check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and the Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. I'll see you again next time. Now, I'm going to enjoy these drinks. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.